So welcome my dear grade 10 students. This time we're going to discuss about illustrating geometric sequence. And to start with, let us try to have a table in your screen having an example scenario. So raising duck is a good source of additional income, especially when the area is near the lowland rice field. Pet Pit's place is a perfect area for duck raising. When Pet Pit starts raising his ducks, he make a record of the production of eggs as his ducks starts laying eggs. He made a tally of the number of eggs his ducks laid each day. So the table below shows her tally. So naa diri ang gitali ni Pet Pit sa iyang number of eggs nga malayed sa iyang ducks. So for the first day, the number of eggs will be laid is 4, the second is 8, the third day ay mo nag 16, the fourth day 32, the fifth day he will have a 64 eggs all in all. So what have you observed on the numbers of eggs? Is there any particular that you have noticed? So let us try to look the number closely. So 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. So from this number, we can say that 4 is the first term. And we can say also that the second number, which is 8, is twice as the first term or the first number. So we have ang 8 twice as 4. And again, and looking the third number, we can obtain 16 by multiplying twice as the preceding number, which is 8. 32, ma-obtain po na to siya by multiplying twice the number of ang iyang preceding term or preceding number, which is 16. Ang gisundan niya nga number nga 16. So we have 2 times 16. 64 will be obtained as getting the twice of the preceding number as 32. Okay. So by that, we can say that the 6 or the number of eggs sa ika-unom na kaadlaw sa paglay og egg sa duck is equal to 2 times 64, that is equal to how many? 128. And for the 7th day, ikapitong adlaw, so makalay na og eggs ang duck ni Pet Pits with a total of 2 times 128, that will be equal to 128 times 2, 16, carry 1, 5, 256. Now this table is a perfect example of a geometric sequence. Now in definition, it is called a geometric sequence when each term after the first can be obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a fixed constant called common ratio. Okay. Now, in geometric sequence, we can obtain R, makuha nato ni siyang R, by dividing any term of the preceding term. So, let us try to look our example above. The number of eggs, we have 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and 256. Now, para makuha nato ning R, or we call this as common ratio, so we divide any term or any number dire to its preceding term. Unsa nang preceding term? Ang gisundan sa particular term. So for example, this 2 ay kaning 8. So makuha daw nato ang R niya or the common ratio by dividing the term, any term, by the preceding term. So we have R is equal to 8 over